Hey guys, it's Ro, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a thick and glossy slime base. This does not include glue all, so if you do not have glue all and you really want to make a slime like this, then just keep watching. Let's get started on the tutorial. To make the slime, you will need something to mix with along with something to mix in, some slime activator. I'm just using a mixture of borax and water. Elmer's school glue, this will be substituting the glue all. And lastly, some clear glue. This is optional. Now let's get started on making the slime. The first thing you need to do is add in your glue. I'm using quite a bit of it because this is going to be my slime base, but you can use however much you want. If you want to color your slime, you can also do this now, but I decided to keep it white. Now mix everything together until it is one smooth mixture. Now just activate your glue until it turns into slime. After a while, you may start to notice that the slime turns really lumpy, and this is the part you have to go in with your hands. It may be a little bit messy, but after a while of mixing with your hands, the slime will become super smooth and it will have no lumps. So you may notice that the slime has a lot of bubbles in it right now, and to resolve that, all you have to do is keep it in an airtight container for about a week until all the bubbles go away. Thanks for watching me make a slime base without glue all. We hope you enjoyed. We'll see you all next week. Bye!